southwestern Maine, southwestern Oxford County in western Maine, east central Carroll County in northern New Hampshire, until 11 a.m. Monday. At 4:33 a.m., local law enforcement reported flooding across the warned area with multiple road closures. Streams and rivers will continue to rise with the potential for road washouts. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Conway, Bridgeton, Freiburg, Naples, Gorham, Gray, Hiram, Effingham, Cornish, and Waterford. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station KZZ40 broadcasting on a frequency of 162.45 MHz from Saddleback Mountain near Deerfield, New Hampshire. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect.